Hey, what's going on YouTube? Ceejaybrand is back with another video for you guys once again. Now I know I was supposed to be doing a video of the GoPro 9 vlog. Now I'm gonna show y'all a little clip of what happened, because I was under the impression that it should have been like a 5K resolution or 4K resolution, but it came out as like a 480p. I gave it some kickback. I was like, whatever, it's cool. It's coming out the LCD screen looking crappy. But I got home, put it in the post, and I was like, bruh. In the car, I got the GoPro right now sitting on 4K in cinematic mode. Now once again, like I said, I don't know how good it's going to sound. I don't know how good it looks. So right now it looks pretty crappy on just the LCD itself. So hopefully this microphone right here, it is, you know, very loud, and you know, you guys can hear it or whatever. Hopefully it's not too loud, and hopefully it's not too low. Now, me personally, I don't know if I'm going to keep the GoPro just because it does have a lag on the front LCD and probably on the back as well, but I really don't know. So it just depends. I'm going to try to do an unboxing video with it to see if I like it, you know, for the overhead, because like I said, I'm not planning on... This ain't 5K nor 4K nor 1080p. So I don't know what happened. The GoPro is still in my possession temporarily. I went to Best Buy. They wouldn't take it back because one of the little pieces snapped off of the GoPro. So they told me they couldn't take it back, and I ain't got it in here. But yeah, it was like a small little piece that snapped off while I was trying to unbox it and everything, because it's first GoPro. You really don't know what you're doing with it, honestly. So I was looking for the microphone jack, but in reality, you buy the GoPro, now you got to go buy a media mod so you can actually put on an external microphone. So I'm just like, bruh. It was way too much, honestly. So I'm gonna take it back. I'm buying me a different camera probably in January instead of rushing it. The Canon is doing me fine. The phones are doing me totally fine as well. We got cinematic mode in the 13 Pro Max. I ain't gonna say it's good, I ain't gonna say it's bad, but we got that right there. But yeah, I just want to give you guys a quick update, you know, so we'll figure out, you know, why CJ ain't do, you know, the GoPro review. But that's why, because I just simply refuse to do a video when the quality looks like it's 480p. And the Canon was doing 20 times better than that GoPro. Like, the GoPro should have took out my Canon, honestly. Minus the, you know, the what is the autofocus features and everything. But nah, man, the GoPro is going back. I won't say this, the GoPro is not for everybody at all. It's definitely not for me, because maybe I fudged up. You know, maybe I didn't do the settings properly, but I looked at everything. I just gave up on this shit. I'm like, you know what, I'll just go buy me another mirrorless camera, call it a day. That Sony ZV-E10 maybe calling my name, the ZV-1 maybe calling my name. Hell, maybe even the Alpha 7 2, 3, 4 might be calling my name. I don't know, you guys. But anyway, you guys, that's all I got for today. Just want to give you guys a quick update, you know, to figure out why I didn't upload that video. But make sure you guys go to subscribe to the channel, turn the notification bells on for some more, because like I said, the new camera is coming to the channel very, very shortly. Until next time, you guys, the brand is out. Peace.